Devotional focus for today. We often enjoy stories where someone rises from humble beginnings to something extraordinary. There's something deeply inspiring about transformation and unexpected greatness, but not everyone sees in the way, especially when the person is questioning someone they think they already know. In his hometown, people couldn't look past Jesus' background to them. Um, to them, it's like he was still the carpenter's son, the um, ducal kid they grown up with. So, when they heard about the incredible things he was doing, healing, calming storms, changing lives, it just didn't fit the image that they had of them. The problem wasn't what he did, but their refusal to accept it. They believe they already had the full picture. This reaction is a warning for anyone who thinks they've got everything figured out. When we believe we already know all there is to know, we close the door to wonder, to learning, to transformation. What's striking here is what's striking here is not the presence of belief. It's not just the presence of belief, guys, but how deeply rooted belief can be. But how deeply rooted this belief can be. Sometimes it takes more energy to ignore what is in front of us, than to simply consider that something greater might be true. Have a blessed Saturday, everyone.